But what if I told you this future is closer than you think? Welcome to the world of nanobots, medicine at the molecular level.
Imagine a world where diseases are cured before they even show symptoms, where cancer is treated with pinpoint precision, and where damaged organs repair themselves. Sounds like science fiction, right? So, what exactly are nanobots? Nanobots or nanorobots are microscopic machines designed to perform specific tasks at the nanoscale, that's 1/1,000,000th of a meter.
To put it into perspective, a single nanobot is about 100 times smaller than the width of a human hair. These tiny robots are engineered to interact with biological systems, making them perfect for medical applications.
Think of nanobots as the ultimate delivery system. Just like a GPS guides a car to its destination, nanobots can be programmed to navigate through your body to deliver medicine, repair tissues, or even destroy harmful cells.
They're equipped with sensors, propulsion systems, and tiny tools to perform their tasks with incredible precision. It's like having an army of microscopic surgeons inside your body.
Now let's talk about how nanobots are changing the game in medicine. One of the most exciting applications is in cancer treatment.
Traditional chemotherapy affects both healthy and cancerous cells, but nanobots can deliver drugs directly to tumors, minimizing side effects. Researchers are also developing nanobots that can detect and neutralize early-stage cancers before they spread.
For diabetics, nanobots could revolutionize blood sugar monitoring. Imagine tiny sensors in your bloodstream that constantly track glucose levels and automatically release insulin when needed. No more painful finger pricks.
And in surgery, nanobots could act as microscopic surgeons, repairing damaged tissues or clearing blocked arteries from within the body, reducing the need for invasive procedures.
But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges to overcome. For example, how do we ensure nanobots don't malfunction or get attacked by the immune system?
And what about the ethical implications? Who gets access to this cutting-edge technology, and how do we prevent misuse? These are questions we need to address as we move forward.
Despite these challenges, the potential of nanobots is limitless. In the future, we could see nanobots that reverse aging, repair spinal cord injuries, or even enhance human capabilities.
The possibilities are endless, and the journey has just begun. Imagine a world where we can live longer, healthier, and more vibrant lives, all thanks to these tiny, incredible machines.
Nanobots are not just the future of medicine, they are the future of humanity. So, what do you think? Are you ready for a world where diseases are a thing of the past?
Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science content. Until next time, stay curious.